There's simply no better choice for introducing kids to motorcycling than the CRF50F. The pocket-sized machine is armed with a fun but reliable 49 cubic centimeters air-cooled 4-stroke engine with an automatic clutch, and its 10-inch wheels and low seat height instill confidence in young riders who are just getting started on collecting lifetimes of motorcycling memories. The CRF50F's SOHC 49 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine delivers smooth, easy-to-use power. Bore and stroke are 39x 41.4 mm, and the 10:1 compression ratio means good performance and easy kickstarting. The 11 mm piston valve carburetor gives the rider excellent feedback and throttle response across the rev range, while strong fuel efficiency means more fun from each tank.